How to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to your home page located at bottom left and then click on message located at top right corner of your screen. You'll find messenger like option. In here, simply click on the chat where you want to send photo or video to. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. If you click on simply gallery located at bottom right, you'll simply send a picture just in this way. There's no disappearing options. What you can do is click on camera like option located at bottom left corner of your screen. Take a picture or video, and at the bottom left, make sure it is view once. After you're done, click on send located at bottom right and you're good to go. As you can see, it is view once photo. It will disappear after it's viewed once. And this is how to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.